like that. It's just because it's a camera. It sounds weird. Weird. Oh, God. We're really bored, and she is rabid. So what? Oh, my God.
A little odd.
Holy shit. This is how bored we are.
Melissa is...
Fierce belly ham. Fierce belly ham. It's all over you.
Now you're gonna smell like lime.
Holy shit! Is that a camera person? Camera? Oh, God. Ow! Ow! What the hell? You have issues.
Yes.
This is how bored. Ow!